Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best large-capacity air fryer oven on the market, the Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven. Let's get right into it. If you're someone who loves crispy food without the guilt, needs the power of a convection oven, and wants to feed a family or a group of friends in one go, this product might just be your kitchen's new MVP. At first glance, the Chefman 12-quart air fryer oven looks sleek and modern. Its black finish blends into any kitchen, but it's what's under the hood that really counts. This isn't just an air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 appliance that lets you air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, roast, and reheat. All of that functionality, packed into one countertop unit. The rotisserie chicken cooker. The Chefman includes a stainless steel rotisserie spit, perfect for making golden brown, crispy chicken with minimal oil. It rotates the meat, ensuring even cooking and giving you that roasted flavor typically reserved for oven-roasted or store-bought rotisserie chicken. The temperature range is another thing that puts this air fryer oven in a league of its own. It starts as low as 95 degrees Fahrenheit and goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That low end is perfect for dehydrating fruits and jerky, while the high end gives you fast and crispy finishes with the new high fry option. A feature designed to deliver that extra crunch that everyone loves. Monitoring your food is easy too. The interior light and large oven window let you check progress without opening the door and losing heat. It's small details like this that show how much thought went into the design. You'll also find all the accessories you need included right in the box. That means 3 cooking racks, a rotisserie spit and forks, a retrieval tool for safely removing hot items, and a drip tray to keep cleanup minimal. Speaking of cleanup, the parts are dishwasher safe, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. As for voltage, this unit runs on 120 volts, so if you're outside the US, you might need a converter, just something to keep in mind. Overall, this Chefman air fryer oven is a heavy hitter. It combines functionality, convenience, and large capacity in one tidy package. Whether you're air frying fries, rotisserie roasting a chicken, or dehydrating apple chips, this appliance can handle it. For anyone needing versatility, power, and space-saving design, absolutely. It's a one-stop shop for weeknight meals, meal prepping, and even entertaining. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product deep dives. See you next time.